So for crispy French fries, this is the ingredients we're using. Potato, 3 potatoes or 4, corn flour, paprika powder, to taste, garlic powder, salt, and 2 spoons of all-purpose flour. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Anne's Life in Dubai. In today's video, we will make a French fries, crispy French fries. So the secret of crispy French fries, ito crispy. So the secret is, okay, potato, yeah, potato, slice of potato in the appropriate size, ganito. And then what we put is corn flour. This is corn flour. And mix some all-purpose flour. So, lagyan natin ng corn flour 1 spoon and 2 spoon of all-purpose flour. Ito na siya. So, the texture will be like this. Medyo watery siya dry. Okay? Then, para masarap, we'll put garlic. Garlic. Yan. Lagyan natin siya. We will put garlic. Yan, garlic powder. Ground pepper powder. Paprika. Yan, paprika. So, mix with this corn flour and salt. And high fire. So, secret of French fries, crispy French fries. It's crispy. You mix it with corn flour and all-purpose flour. 1 spoon, 2 spoon. And salt, paprika, garlic powder. It's paprika. So, Para hindi magdikit-dikit, you can do this way. One by one. Okay? Tasty, crispy French fries. Homemade. Homemade tasty French fries. Ingredients: 2 spoons of flour, or depends on the quantity of your potato. 1 spoon corn flour, salt, paprika, and garlic powder. So guys, to avoid sticking each other, you either drop it one by one on a boiling oil. So see, or have to do this. So this is our cook. Crispy. Crispy French fries. Crispy French fries. So guys, di na siya dikit-dikit, okay? See?